Hello everyone, I hope everything is fine with you today. I'm Zahra from Moodle MM14. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how I can add one external blog to my course. Okay, let's first of all go to my profile, and below my profile in this menu, I go to Preferences and go to the Users Preferences. In user preferences, as you see, there is a category related to blogs, in which, first of all, we've got blog preferences, in which we can determine how many blog entries per page we want. We can also have an external blog link that shows the number of external blogs that, as you see, there is no blog in here. I can go to register an external blog from here directly, or go to register an external blog on the preferences page. Well, here in this page, I can register an external blog by entering these entering information in these boxes. First of all, as the required field, I need to add the RSS feed URL of a blog. In fact, RSS feeds show us how many new entries have been entered into the blog, and we do not need to go to our blog and search every corner of it. We can just go to the number of the RSS feeds notified for us, and go to the entries, new entries. Okay, I have already had an Edu blog called Virtual ELT, and there was a course Interactive ELT. Let's just try to see how I can register it to the Moodle. I should copy and paste the URL here, and in order to receive the RSS feed, I should type feed after the final slash. Okay, the name of the blog and the description are optional field. They are not required field. Just let's see. Oops. If we can add them to give more information to people. Yes. So let's just type it here. Interactive. Okay, and let's copy the description. These are quite optional. Well, there are two other parts: filter tags and add some tags. Let's add just some tags. Okay, after each tag I enter the comma, type the comma, and it becomes a tag here. I can also delete it. Okay, let's save changes and see what happens here. Well, in the part external blogs, the name of the blog appears, the name of the course I have entered, the RSS feed URL, time of lasting, and if it's valid or invalid. And also here I can delete it or unregister this external blog, or go to that edition page and make some addition. Okay, I'm not gonna make some additions. Let's save changes. Here I've got my external blog registered to Moodle, and I can add some more blogs here, or go to preferences and change the number of, for example, blog entries that I want to receive in any page. Okay, thank you so much for your attention, and have a nice time.